can we just talk about how beauty advent calendars have totally changed the game for the holidays? Like, instead of boring chocolate behind each door, you're getting actual makeup and skincare that you'll actually use. Whether you're shopping for yourself or trying to be the hero gift giver this year, I've spent way too much time researching these calendars to help you find the perfect match. All the links are down in the description, so let's get into it. First up, the W7 Beauty Blast Advent Calendar. And honestly, this one punches way above its weight. You're getting 24 individually boxed surprises, filled with everything from eyeshadows and mascaras to bronzers, lip products, setting sprays, and their viral Lumina Multi-Glow filter that everyone's been obsessed. What I really appreciate is that W7 actually cares about sustainability. All the packaging is recyclable cardboard. Now let's be real, this is budget-friendly quality, so you're not getting that luxury department store performance here. But that's exactly what makes it perfect. It's ideal for teenagers just starting their makeup journey, or anyone who wants to experiment with different looks without stressing about wasting expensive products. If you're looking to build a complete collection from scratch or need a fun gift that won't wreck your budget, this is your winner. Moving up a notch, the ELF Slay the Holidays calendar is where things get seriously good. We're talking full-size eyeshadow palettes, primers that actually work, professional brushes, a gorgeous blush in a brand new shade. And here's the kicker. Multiple full-size lip products in limited edition colors you literally cannot buy anywhere else. That exclusivity factor is huge because once this calendar sells out, those shades are gone forever. While the W7 calendar is all about fun variety and discovery, this ELF collection gives you professional quality formulas that beauty creators actually reach for when they're doing their everyday makeup. What really stands out is that you're getting products with serious staying power, not just festive novelties you'll toss after New Year's. This calendar is perfect for someone who follows beauty trends, watches makeup tutorials, and wants products substantial enough to become regular rotation staples in their collection. Now, if makeup really isn't your vibe, or you're shopping for someone who'd rather relax than contour, let me tell you about the Exun Lavender Spa Calendar, because it's a whole different mood. Imagine starting each December morning by opening a little glossy box and finding bath bombs that turn your tub into a spa. Luxurious shower steamers, nourishing face masks, beautifully crafted handmade soaps, and even practical surprises like a legit stainless steel tumbler with cute holiday quotes, fuzzy cozy socks for cold mornings, and delicate jewelry pieces. Everything has this calming lavender theme going on, so it's like bringing a professional spa experience into your home for the entire month. Some items are definitely standouts. That tumbler is surprisingly nice quality and something you'll use year-round. And the soaps feel genuinely luxurious. Perfect for busy moms juggling everything, stressed professionals working crazy hours, or literally anyone who appreciates the ritual of unwinding after long winter days. Just make sure they actually like lavender, because that scent is definitely the star of the show here. For anyone building their first makeup collection or shopping for a teenager ready to dive into cosmetics, the Ukambe calendar is actually really smartly designed. This one systematically covers every essential makeup category. So by the time you reach December 25th, you literally have a complete functional collection ready to go. You'll discover vibrant eyeshadow palettes with colors that actually show up, comfortable matte lipsticks that don't feel like chalk, creamy blushes, all the essential tools like a lash curler and makeup sponge, and those detail items like brow pencils and eyeliners that complete a look. What makes this particularly valuable is how it naturally teaches proper makeup application order. You get lip liner right alongside your lipstick, brow gel paired with brow pencil. The quality matches its budget-friendly positioning, delivering solid performance without the fancy packaging or sophisticated formulas of premium brands. This calendar excels as a completely risk-free way to experiment and discover your preferences before investing serious money in expensive products. The Lucatia Spa calendar continues that self-care energy, but shifts the focus more toward comprehensive body care, with some playful festive touches mixed in. Throughout December, you'll unveil hand creams that actually sink into your skin, rich body lotions perfect for battling winter dryness, relaxing bath salts for those end-of-day soaks, and practical additions like nail files, bath loofahs, and cute Christmas-themed hair accessories. What distinguishes this from the Exen calendar we talked about earlier is the inclusion of more playful, festive elements alongside the traditional spa products. The calendar takes a genuine head-to-toe approach with specific products targeting your hands, feet, face, and body, ensuring nothing gets neglected. This works exceptionally well for someone who doesn't really wear much makeup, but still wants to participate in the whole Advent calendar trend. Okay, fragrance lovers, the Lovery Perfume calendar is where things get really exciting. This one dedicates itself entirely to scent exploration, and each of those 24 perfumes comes in a substantial 8 ml bottle, which is genuinely generous compared to those sad little one-spray samples most perfume gift sets give you. You're going on this amazing journey through different fragrance families, from the sweet comfort of vanilla creme to the romantic allure of enchanted rose, the bold sophistication of noir, the playful sparkle of blossom balm, and the warm depth of burnt wood. What makes this calendar particularly valuable is how it functions as both a fun Advent experience and a legitimate fragrance education. The bottle size means you can properly evaluate each scent over multiple wearings, testing it in different settings, at different times of day, seeing how it develops on your skin throughout the day. It's perfect for the perfume enthusiast who craves variety, for someone actively searching for their signature scent without wanting to commit to full-size bottles, or for anyone who genuinely enjoys matching their fragrance to different moods, occasions, or even outfits. Rounding things out, the GWDGJ calendar takes a super straightforward, no-surprises approach that honestly some shoppers really appreciate. This calendar actually lists exactly what you're getting: 2 matte lipsticks, 2 eyeshadows, lip liners, a highlighter, blushes, contour, brow products, mascara, and practical additions like a compact mirror and hair tie. The formulas carry non-toxic and cruelty-free certifications, which addresses safety concerns for younger users. The quality aligns with its budget positioning, delivering functional products that get the job done, without trying to compete with luxury brands. This serves absolute beginners or very budget-conscious shoppers beautifully, providing a complete makeup toolkit that systematically covers every basic need. So here's the real talk on which calendar deserves a spot under your tree. Working with a tight budget but still want genuine variety? The W7 Beauty Blast delivers absolutely unbeatable value. For makeup enthusiasts who actually follow beauty trends, the ELF Slay the Holidays calendar offers professional quality items and those coveted limited edition shades. The You Can Be calendar works perfectly for teenagers building their very first makeup collection. If comprehensive body care sounds way more appealing than facial makeup, the Lucatia Spa calendar provides that pampering experience. Fragrance lovers actively searching for variety should definitely grab the Lovery Perfume calendar with those generous 8 ml sizes. Remember, all the shopping links are sitting right there in the description. And if this guide actually helped you figure out which calendar to grab, smash that subscribe button so you never miss my future reviews.